Hello friends, welcome to yet another live streaming where we are going to build the TikTok clone in Firebase. So today we are going to mainly use the Firebase as a database also, and we are going to host with Firebase also. So let's not waste much time and let's get started because it will require some time. So this is my screen right now. So what we are going to do means we are going to create a react app, and it generally takes time, so it's better to do it now. Npx, I'm in a folder where I am doing npx create react app TikTok clone Firebase. So let's start it. And yeah guys, we are going to build this. This is already been deployed. See, this is the thing which we are going to build. Let me uh, maximize the string screen. So this has got a nice swipe facilities. It means if I scroll my mouse only with one small scroll, okay, only one small scroll, I can go down only with this small scroll. And see, this video is there, and this is exactly like TikTok. And this scroll bar is also there. This spinner is moving, which is generally an image. Then, and this all data is coming from Firebase, not from my local, because it is hosted anyway, so it cannot come. So if I can click here, it can go up, but not much than that functionality. But see the magic. I click here, the video will start, and I click, the video will stop. Click, the video will start. These two are different videos actually of my laptop, and they are taken from YouTube short from my YouTube videos. So YouTube short is also like TikTok, as you might know, so they are taken from there. And it is in a loop, so it starts again. So guys, please do subscribe to my channel and like the videos if you find them so useful, because I work a lot on my channel to do this live streamings and all. Okay, so it's done. So it's okay. So this is what we are going to build. So to minimize it, okay, see, as I have told, this create react app takes a lot of time actually. So in that time, what we are going to do, we are going to go to our Firebase and set up the Firebase, because we are anyways we are going to require the Firebase. So let me keep it aside. Okay, it is okay here. And let me come here. So I'm in my Firebase console, and I have a lot of things already, projects are there. Even I have a TikTok Firebase clone is already there. So let me click. If you're coming here for the first time, you will not see, you might be taken to some add project thing. Okay, so I'm going to this add project, and here I have to give my project name, which I am going to give this same thing. It is not required, but it is a good practice to give it the same thing, TikTok clone Firebase. So here, TikTok clone Firebase. TikTok clone Firebase I have taken. Continue. I don't want Google Analytics, so I am removing it. So it's okay. And creating your project, TikTok clone Firebase, it generally doesn't take much time. Let me increase it. So it will not take much time. See, hardly 30 seconds it will take. And then after that, yeah, it is done. We'll click here, we'll come here, click here and go to project settings. Okay, project settings. Let me increase the font a bit. Okay, so project settings I have gone. Then this web thing is there. I have to go here, and again I have to give my app name. So please give it the same name. It is TikTok clone Firebase, and it is very important to click on this allow hosting thing is very important, or else you will face a lot of issues. So this is the most important part. You have to click on it and then register app. Okay, it will take time. Okay, then click on next. I have already done this. If you have not done this, go to your console and do this. You can do it anywhere. npm install -g Firebase tools, because it is storing it globally. Next. And these things we'll do later on, so we don't need to do this. You just have to click on continue to console, and then we will be taken to this page. We have to go down, come here to config, and this is our data. And don't worry, means you can show this data on live stream also, because it doesn't matter. You cannot come into Firebase with this API key. This is a different type of API key. Okay, so don't worry about that. And anyways, I have a lot of projects, so I have to delete this project at the end of the live stream, because I am getting over my, I have already increased the Firebase quota. I don't know how it works, but after 10 projects you have to send, Google will ask you to raise the quota, and I raised the quota. I have not faced any problem, but why to keep more projects? Okay, so what I will do, I will copy this, and hopefully by this time my create react app is done. Yeah, create react app is done. It is showing me happy hacking, so it is done. Cd tiktok clone Firebase. I'll open it with VS Code. Okay, I will also do the npm start here to start my React app. Let me increase it, and here inside src only I will create a new file. Let us keep the Firebase config. We'll come back to this file later on. What have happened? No, new file, firebase.js. Okay, firebase.js. Okay, so Firebase.js is done. After that, okay, let me increase the size. I think my system is a bit slow. I know why it is a bit slow. So because I have attached a sort of external screen to it through my mobile. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove that, because this system was too fast. But that is taking a lot of thing. So what I'm going to do, it's okay. Yeah, my StreamYard is here. Yeah, it is working fine actually. Okay, 1 second, let me fix this thing. Okay, Alt Shift 2, that will go to, okay. Okay, sorry for this thing. Okay, so this thing happens. Okay, so it is like this. mm, and I don't want it to be here. Let us do one thing. Let me also send this to my second screen. Let me open. I don't want this much. Localhost 3000. And anyways, TikTok app is mainly a mobile app, as you all might know. So it is better to make it like that only. So we will make it like this. And this is so it is better. And I think I can go a bit down. Yeah, now it is okay for me also. Mm, so there is a lot of boilerplate code which comes with actually React. So let us remove those things first. Okay, so first thing which we are going to remove is this setup. These are the new things which are coming. Logo we are going to delete. So move to recycle bin. Then app.test also I don't want. Deleting this. Now I am getting the error. So I have to fix it. Index.js. I don't have this report vitals anymore. So let me remove it. It's done. But still I'm going to get some error here. So let me remove that. And app like this, because we're soon going to change it. H1 TikTok Firebase clone. Let me save it. It is done, but I forgot to do one more thing. Let me do come here and delete everything. Let me save it. And sometimes this refresh doesn't work nowadays. I don't know why. So TikTok Firebase clone have come here. It is okay, but see, we are seeing some margin here. I mean, see my mouse. We are seeing some margin here. So how to remove that? Okay, so to remove that, what we are going to do, we are going to go to the index.css, and here control D, we need to add a line, a star, and margin is 0. So global margin is 0. So let me save it. The global margin is 0 actually right now. Everything, so the margin, so every element generally have margin, so that will be removed by this. So rest of the things are okay. So now we will start creating the components. We don't want index.js anymore. So the first thing which we are going to create is a video.js file. But for that also we are coming here and in src and doing, why it is so slow? I'm not getting it. Let me stop my video from somewhere else. One sec. Today I'm getting a lot of lag actually. So just wait for a sec. Okay, components. Okay, I have removed all of my other connections. Yeah. Okay, so components has been created. Then here I am going to create video.js. Okay, and the other file will be video.css. So started, let's get start. So here, and everything will be functional components. So RAFCE I'm using. Okay, what happened? RAFCE. Windows was working completely fine. I don't know. It's a very fast system. What happened suddenly? I removed everything else also. And this is also not happening. They want me to type manually. I am okay with that. IMR is working. At least IMR is working. I am prt hash video.css. So we are importing that. Then const video equal to like a video component and return. And here we are going to have div. Where is my div dot video? And then we'll have a video tag, actually vi video tag. See, I typed video, but I don't know, means what suddenly happened. Even this is not taking. It's okay. I think I have to copy paste a lot of things today from my earlier project. See, it is taking actually more than a second to come. Okay, so it will be like this. And we have to give src equal to we have to give. And the source you can give anything. So what I have done, I have imported my YouTube video and put it on my cloudinary service. Anywhere you can put it. So I'm taking it from there, and it's the YouTube short video. Try to take a vertical video for this. Okay, so like TikTok is also all but vertical video, and YouTube shorts are also vertical video. So you have to take some video like that. So let me now where is my, yeah, so I will take this video and paste it here. And then after that, two more things I need to require. One is class name equal to video underscore player. So see, it is very slow actually. I don't know what is happening to me. It came after more than a second. So these all things happens with live streaming. I don't know, everything was going great till yesterday. Means I don't know why it is even coming like this. And last name is okay. And then we have to put the I don't know, it sort of hanged itself. Let me come here. And okay, now it came back again. I don't know what was happening. Loop, we have to take the loop, and then let me do a delete. Now it is fast, at least a bit faster. Okay, so this much is done, and then after that we have to include this video in the app.js. So I'm going back, hope it is fast, and then I have to remove this video. Okay, it is not even showing me the import. It's okay, I will write it manually. Import video from components video. Okay, so it is done. Let me save it. Oh, I have actually forgot how to do all these things without the skeleton help. RFCC, I even forgot to do this export default video. So it will come like this. Okay, it will come like this. So a lot of space and all those things will be there. So we have to fix those things. So, but before fixing that, let me do one more thing. Let me put two videos there. So there are two videos, and right now they have the same thing, but we are soon going to change it. And as you know, my system has suddenly become a bit fast, but then also I will not take the chance and copy the css. I will explain the css, but I will copy the css. So these things happens. So I want actually right now these two things. So this is a very important thing. This is a very important type of css scroll snap type. Why mandatory? So this is very important because this scroll feature comes from this. And height is 100 vh, background is black, display grid plus item center. So it is not completely fixed, but it will be fixed soon. Okay, so it will be fixed soon. 100 vh it is taking. 100 vs is see, after that it is not taking it completely, but we will fix it soon. Display grid plus item center. So place item center is a very cool thing. Means display grid actually it is a combination of two things: justify content center and align item center. So that's why it is better to do it in grid is almost like flex, means it's powerful than flex. So only with this display grid and flex item center you can put anything in the center. Okay, so this is put in the center. Now we will have to put for we have done for this app we have done, and now we have to put for this video, or where is my app video? Okay, one sec. Yeah, so there is something which I didn't did. Okay, so that I have to do now. Div dot app underscore videos. Oh, again it had become fast. So what was the issue, buddy? What was the issue? I think the internet was the issue. So see, I have to do this app video. Okay, I forgot to do that. And so when you are doing this app display grid, so its children is only this much. So now we'll do for this app video which we have just created. We'll put the styles for that. Again, I don't want to waste the time, so let me copy it from here and I will explain it. So app video position is relative, height is 800 pixel, border radius is 20 pixel, overflow is scroll, which is very important, width is 80%, max width is 500 pixel, scroll snap type y. So this is again a very important thing you have to do in HTML also and in app videos also, which wraps our videos. Okay, and rest is WebKit scroll bar display, and we don't want the scroll bar to be there, and this is scroll bar width is none, and all those things. So this is for Firefox, and also let me save it. See, and everything is now taking shape, and what it had done, the scroll, it is created here. Yeah, a bit of thing is there, but now the scroll is working. I'm just doing one scroll and it is going down. I'm just doing one scroll and it is going down. Okay, so now it's time to go to the video.css, because we have our video and video player here. So again, let me copy this also, control E. So see, video position, let me do it later on. Video position is relative, background is white, width is 100%, height is 100%, scroll snap align is straight. So this white. So this video, which is wrapping everything, I am giving it a nice white background, and the whole thing is looking nice now, but it is not fitting, the video is not fitting. So for that, we come here, video player with object fill, width is 100% and height is 100%. So let me save it and see. Now it is done now, and it is also taking, see, these two are different videos. Okay, these two are different videos, and it is going right now we are showing on the one video, but and another thing is that next thing is that our videos are not working, means they should work, they should play, but they are not playing. So for that we will use a very cool thing known as reference. So reference is very easier to use in your user, means a functional based component with hooks. It is very important, very easy. Hooks, everything is very easy. Hooks is the future, everything is easy. Hooks is the future. Why I'm saying that, see, slowly the libraries I work with, the React Apollo also, means so if you want to see, I have just posted the Apollo video, React Apollo video, so you can see that. So everybody is saying that everything is compatible, the older way is compatible. Older the libraries, what they used to do, like the Redux library and all, they used to make higher order component, and you have to wrap everything here in the higher order component. But Now what happened, everything is moving toward hooks, so they are also not using that much their higher order component, and they deprecated it. They have deprecated it. Even the Apollo client I was using, it is not the hooks, that higher order component is not supported that well. They are sort of deprecating it, so you have to use that their hooks only, so a functional component. So that's why the new project, if you are starting a new project, please do start it on in the functional based component with hooks, not with the class based component. You face a lot of problem when the project grow big and you have to integrate something like react router and something else. So everybody is moving toward hooks. Oh, someone has said me hi, Ranungati. So let me say hi to him. Okay, so let's then move back to our video, and here the first thing is that we are going to have a state actually. So state const playing and set playing and set playing equal to use state. Let me import it. If I do it like this, it will import, and it will have a boolean value of false. Okay, it will have a boolean value of false, and then we will have the ref const video ref. So any variable name you can take, video ref equal to, there is a hook known as use ref. So let me import that also, use ref, and it will be initially set to null. So see, both of them are imported. If it is not imported, you have to manually import it. Okay, so that is done. Now let me come back, come down here, and in here I will, after this class name loop, I will, let me do a ref here. So this is the way to use ref. Okay, so ref is video. So why do we use ref? Sometimes we have to access the DOM elements. Actually, to access the DOM elements, React works on a virtual DOM, as you all might know, and it is not a good thing to access the DOM element, but in some cases you have to access the DOM element. It is very important, so that React people also know. So they have created something known as reference ref. So this is in a class based component also. You can check the ref use ref thing. There is not use ref, I'm forgetting what is there, but there is also the thing is there for reference. You have to create ref, I think you have to use, and here you have to use the use ref, which is the hook. So React team also create everything in hook. So use ref, and then here I'll have a on click equal to handle video press. On click is handle video press. So this function, now I will create this function. Let me copy it, or else I will get something wrong. And I come here, const handle video ref equal to if playing, then video ref dot current dot pause. Okay, if it is playing, so by default it will be false, so it will be not playing. So if it is playing, then we have to make it as pause. Okay, so this is very important. Set playing is false. We are making it back to false because it will be true, and else part video ref dot current dot play. So it will play. So play, pause, these are the functions which are available to us in video. And with current we have to, the refs always we used to work with the current, and set playing to true. Okay, set playing to true. Let me save it. And now moment of truth, I am here and I am clicking it. So see, it is working fine. And again I am clicking it, it is pausing. Again I am clicking it, is starting. Again I am clicking the mouse, it is stopping. So this is my actually second video. Actually this is the first video. This is the second video. Let us see it completely. Why I'm showing it completely? Because it is a loop. I want to show that it is a loop. Okay, so it is okay, it is working fine. So now what we need to do, we need to create some more components to show the footer and show the sidebar. So in our completed project we have those things here and here, so those things we need to show. So for that we have to create some component. So let us do one thing, let us create those component. Okay, no problem. Components, video footer dot js, video footer dot css, video sidebar dot js. Now everything is fixed. I don't know why morning everything was a bit slow, where it was a problem from StreamYard through which I stream, or whether my internet was slow, which is Reliance Jio. It is generally very fast. Okay, Control B I will do now. We will show the we will import the footer. It's okay, footer is done. Let me do RAFCE, not this RAFC. Okay, now it is also working fine. So for my plugin, the plugin which all of us have, this plugin is working fine, so I don't have to write the complete code again, complete skeleton again. So I'm happy that it is working. Video footer is done. And video.js, let me import that video footer here so that we don't have to import it later on. So I will import it after this video have footer. So it is done, video footer. Yeah, it should be imported at the top. When I press enter, it auto import it. If it is not auto imported, you have to do it. Okay, so another cool trick is there. If it is not imported, come here and press the control and enter, control and space bar, it will show you. For me it is already there, so I'm not doing it. So video footer, there won't be much thing after that. Import video footer dot css. Okay, class name equal to video footer, and inside this I will have a div of div dot video footer underscore underscore. So what I'm using, it is known as bam. If I use double underscore, this is a bam convention, and I'm using emit also. If I do like this and then press the tab, it will create. And inside this, I'm using h3. No, h3 will not work like this. h3. Okay, so I'm hard coding it right now. I've been do it to my Twitter handle. So uh, let me also copy this. I don't know how to type that much. Okay, so this is done. This is on one of my earlier videos in my YouTube short also. MacBook Air to new Windows editing base. So that's why I was telling you I am I didn't know why it was slow. I think it was not slow from my side. It was slow from either StreamYard side or because I have a pretty cool machine right now and I have not faced an issue. So video footer we have done. So but nothing has been shown because we have to put it in style, put the style for this video footer, and we have imported it. Yeah, we have imported it. So let me again put it video footer, and I will explain it. Okay, wait, I have added a lot of things. Okay, video footer text as p. I don't want these things now because we are going to have this later on. Okay, so video footer position is relative. Position is relative for this. Color is white, bottom 150, margin left, and display left because it will be shown a display flex. Video footer text text is this. Text is flex one. So if you take a flex one for a child, so this is the child. Video footer is a parent, and this is a child. Flex one will extend completely. Okay, so and then okay, so let me do one thing. Let me comment this out. So it is coming here right now, every text. And now, so this is what flex one has done. It is extending it to as much space as it have. And text s3 and p, we are giving some padding here, so they are moving a bit down. Okay, so this is done. Now okay, now we are going to install two things for our project. So we are going to use material icons in our project. So for that, see one another thing, my project is already running. So if I want to install something, I have to stop it and install it, but there is another cool way. So keep it running from a terminal, from a Mac terminal, Linux terminal, from a Windows terminal like this I am using. Keep it running and open the integrated terminal. Charcoal. I don't know. Someone is talking in some other language. Camo call hola. Okay. I don't understand that language. Okay, hola means I think something in Spanish it is. Okay. Let me also do hola. Okay, it's okay. Let us go ahead and control J for the integrated terminal, or command J also works. Okay, but and you have to install it here only, because here only is our package.json file. Okay, so we have to install it here on the TikTok clone Firebase. npmi. Generally in one project we have two folders, so there it is important to go inside the client or the server, but here I have only one folder. That's the power of Firebase. Everything, the server, client, everything is integrated into one. npmi at material ui slash co and at material dash ui slash icons. So these two things I have to do at material ui core, at material ui icons. So it will get installed, and after that we can use a nice icon from material ui in our footer. Okay, so let it get installed. Let me come back to the footer and let me take that itself. Yeah, it is installed. So I have to come below my p tag and I have a div. I have a div of class name of video footer ticker and a music note icon, class name of this video footer icon. Okay, so inside this I have this music note icon. So what is this? This is something which I have to import from material UI. So let me copy it, because this is not the exact name of it. We have changed it to the import music note icon from at material UI, not core. It is from icons, but we have to install the core package for using anything in material UI. So music note, it is music note, and we are changing it name to music note icon, but it is actually music note. Okay, so let me save it. Why this is coming? Okay, compiling is done. Oh, compiling is still doing. Yes, sometimes these things takes a lot of time in React nowadays. So see, it is coming exactly fine. The icon, this icon I was talking about. So now in our final project we have something known as ticker, which comes scroll from here till here. So we are going to make that. How to make that? So again I'll open the control J. Let me clear it so that we all can see it a bit more fine. So npmi react ticker, npmi react ticker. Yeah, this is the library react ticker. So I have done it. React ticker. So guys, if you are liking this live streaming, so whoever is there are, then please hit the like button. Please hit the like button, and please do subscribe to my channel. It really helps to reach it to more people. So please hit the like button if you're liking it. So please. Okay, so let me close it again by control J. I can close it. So music note, I have installed the react ticker. So how to use the react ticker? So it is generally whenever you use some third-party tool in React, there is a lot of boilerplate code involved in that. So let me bring that boilerplate code. So it is not actually something not very nice, but it is something which has been done in the way in which they have done it. So ticker mode you have to do is smooth, and actually this is something they're using. It is known as render props, and Song I don't have right now song, because later on we will get it from the our database, so that's why I have done it song. So I will do I am a Windows PC. Let the song be like that. Some song is there. I don't know whether it is a song. Import ticker from react ticker, this one, and this is done. So this much code is been done, and let me save it and see. I am a Windows PC, I am a Windows PC. It is going, but it is not correct. We are soon going to fix it. But before that also, what we are going to do, we are going to have a, where we are having video footer. Okay, we are going to have a label icon, which is a spinning label icon. We are going to have a spinning label icon in the footer. So let us have that. Also, it is nothing but an image actually. So it is nothing but an image like this. Let me save it, and we'll get this big image, which we are soon going to fix this thing. So we have to get some more css in our video footer. So let us get that more css, which I am going to explain. So video text, after the video text and s3, this all I need. So again, video footer icon. Where is video footer icon? This is this video footer icon. We are making it as position absolute music note, and then video footer ticker we are doing ticker. This ticker is there. Okay, this ticker we have to make it as a fit content. Height is fit content. Say height is not there right now. Let me do one thing. So these two are the new thing. So see, it is coming exactly fine. I am a Windows PC. Okay, but there is a problem. This is very big, huge. So what we are doing to do, video footer record animation, we are giving animations. It is a static image, so we have to give animation, spin the record in finite 5 linear, and spin the record we do animate in JavaScript by using this keyframe thing. So from rotate 0 degrees to rotate 360 degrees, so it will rotate. And filter invert because the color we want to invert it. Position absolute, we are positioning it. Okay, so let me save it. So see, now it is perfect, and it is also revolving because of this animation. It was a PNG, it is not a GIF file. It is just a PNG file which we are animating with this spin this record thing. Keyframes. If you want to learn keyframes are very easy. From transform rotate 0 degree to rotate 360 degree. So it is feeling like it is rotating, but it's actually a static image. And these are very easy. CSS height 50 filter, we are using filter to filter the invert the color from it was black to white. Position absolute, 0 bottom. With position absolute we can place it anywhere. Position absolute is very powerful. And video record. Okay, okay, so I think our footer is mostly done. Our footer is mostly done. Now we might come here later on. Now it's time to do the sidebar. We had a sidebar also here in our final project. Where someone is telling something in Spanish. I I think it is Spanish. Okay, it's good to get people from around the world, different part of the. So it's great that people are seeing this broadcast. Okay, and they're thinking I'm Spanish, but I'm not a Spanish. Okay, that's good. Great to involve people. Okay, so then I'm going here. Video sidebar. Let me do one thing now. Let me bring it here. Let me do a RAFCE first, and then I will come here, and after the video footer I'll do the video sidebar. It is imported. Yeah, it is imported, and but currently there is nothing here. Video sidebar. Okay, so in video sidebar, import video sidebar dot css is there, and now I will have some I will have to import some icons. So let's not write those icons. So let me again take it from here, video sidebar. Okay, this 4 icons we need. This 4 material UI icons we need. 1 2 3 4. Yeah, favorite icon, favorite border icon, message icon. And see one thing, these icons are named differently, but we are adding the icon word to it, so that it is easier to see them. Okay, so class name equal to video sidebar. Okay, and then div dot video sidebar, video sidebar underscore button, and I will have this thing 2 more times. 2 more times I'm going to have this. Okay, so the first thing, I only have 3 icons, but I have imported 4. That is for a reason, actually. Let me have a state also. So we are going to have a small functionality. So this is not a complete app. Okay, so you have, if you want to make it a complete app, you're able to do a lot of other code also. This is just a basic TikTok clone. Okay, so because TikTok is such a huge app, it is not made by one person, it is made by a lot of person. So we are having some functionality, but the UI is same. Okay, so const liked comma set liked equal to use. Okay, what happened? No, not again. Use state. So I want use state also to be imported, and it will be false initially when liked and set liked. And then what I'm going to do here, if it is liked, then we'll show a different component. We are using the ternary operator here. We will use a different component, or else we will show a different component. Or so favorite icon, if it is liked, we will show the favorite icon. Let me close it. And font size, this is a property which is there in the material UI. Large we can give, and if I click on it on click equal to e, or e is not there, we don't require the e, we don't require this. Yeah, like this we can do set like this. Why? Okay, false. Set light is false. Set light will be false. Once you click on it, set light will be made to false. Okay, so you take it down. Okay, and the other one will be, as you might have guessed, the other one will not be favorite icon, it will be favorite border icon. Favorite border icon. Font size will be large. Again, font size will be large. On click, it will be set to true. Okay, set to true. And what we are going to have beside this, a small paragraph which will show liked. If it is liked, then maybe 101 or else 100. So something like this. Then we hard coding it right now, and it will be hard coded only, means in our project. Message icon is there. Font size equal to large, and P 234. And copy this. 99. This will be the last one, which is the share icon. And I think I have done everything. Let me save it now. And refresh it. Yeah, it is not been shown, but I imported it because I have not yet put the styles. So it is time to put the style, because we are using a lot of your position absolute and all, so it doesn't shows at the perfect place. But we are always using position absolute with relative, position relative. Okay, what happens with that position relative? The main container is relative. So if you want to learn more about it, you can go to my HTML CSS course also. I teach a lot of it in that. So to that, let me again copy this video sidebar.css. Not much here. So video sidebar position is, video sidebar is this, video sidebar is this one. Position is absolute top 50%, right 100% color, and video sidebar buttons also we are giving some padding. So let me save it and see, it is coming exactly fine. Okay, and let us, it is taking 100 because like this false. So, and it is taking this favorite border icon. So if I click on it, see, it is taking a different icon, but it is seeing like the heart is filled, but it is taking this favorite icon, and it is taking the like as 101. If I can click it, it is like this. So it is working fine. Yeah, so it is working fine. So now our project is almost complete, but now we will add some dynamic things in this thing and in this project, and we'll use the props and all, and because we have to ultimately save it in database, and right now it is showing only the same video. So how to do that? So in video sidebar, in video sidebar, okay, video sidebar, we are currently there, and so I will get three props here. One is likes, the second one is shares, the third one is messages. These three props I will get. Okay, and then I will use them instead of the hard-coded thing. So first thing is likes here, likes plus one, and this is also likes. Okay, this is also likes, and then messages, messages is there, and then shares is there. Okay, these three things are there. Okay, now not a number and all those things will be shown because we have not yet done. We are not yet passing it. Footer also, let us change in footer also. Footer will be channel description, comma, song, channel description song. So okay, so channel description song, let me not move it right now because or else I'll face some issue. Okay, so what I will do here, I'll come, because all these things I'm going to take. So let me come to the video footer here, and footer channel, I will cut it and paste it. Channel equal to control X, control V, then description equal to this, and song equal to I am a window PC. Yeah, song is this. So now what we need to do, we are okay. If I'm here, let me add this likes also, because we are already showing it. Means here we have to use add the props also there. Likes equal to 145, shares equal to 100, and messages equal to 45. Okay, so this is like this, and let me save it, and okay, so see, they are all coming nice now, and it is also working fine. Now footer, I have to go to footer and I have to use them. So the channel will be like this, the description will be like this, and the song, it will be here. Song will be here, and now everything is working fine. Let me refresh it. Yeah, everything is working fine. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we want to actually further drill down, means from not from video, but this all should come from, see, right now it is coming from this video.js. We are giving the video footer and a video sidebar, but what I want it to come from this app.js to the video, so that we can have different videos here. So the best thing is there. Okay, so we will do that later. Means we have to actually pick up all those things and pick it up, push it up here. Okay, so for that, let me do one thing. Okay, where is our URL actually? Okay, let me come here, channel description song. Channel description song, we are going to have something known as URL also. URL also here, channel description song, and like this we are going to have this likes, shares and messages, comma, likes, shares and messages. Also we are going to have, and before changing, let me put it here or else I will lose this thing. So let me go to the app.js, and here the video which I have, first thing will be the URL equal to this. Okay, so like this. Then the channel description and song. So I can directly do one thing, cut it here and paste it here. Channel description and song, channel description and song. Then there's another cool thing which I can do. I can do this. I can again cut it out and paste it here. Okay, likes, shares and messages. Right now let me have the same thing, which I'm soon going to change actually in this second video. Okay, so this is not showing right, so the best way to do is Control Shift E, format selection. Yeah, it is done. Okay, so now we are getting everything from here, so why not change it? If I'm here, why not change it? Actually I have the everything is ready for me. So I want to have the web tab cloudinary. Let me change it a bit. 95. Okay, so let me now go back to my video.js and I will add those things now. Okay, so these things are already there, so I have to start using them. So src will contain the URL. Okay, then in video footer, first thing which I'm going to use is the channel equal to channel and description equal to description and song equal to song, and video sidebar also we will do likes equal to likes shares equal to shares and messages equal to messages. So let me save it, but I have to save this also. Okay, and let me refresh it. And if everything is right, so this is a different content and this is a different content. Okay, and the likes are also different. Okay, and it is working fine. Okay, so this is done. Now it's a time to do the Firebase setup because our project is done. Now I'm getting the data from my local machine, so this is not good. So we want to learn Firebase also. So it is okay, I can leave the project like this, but we are learning Firebase also. So we'll get this data actually from Firebase. So this is a very simple app. Okay, so only this data we are going to get by Firebase, so you can understand how the Firebase works. Because I had earlier Firebase project also, where I created a clone of Tinder, so you can check that also. But so let's get started with that. So for that, I will again press the Control J, clear, and in my TikTok Firebase only, I'll do npm hi Firebase. Yeah, I'm in the right folder because there is actually one folder only, and then I have to import some things. Yeah, so let it get installed. Come down, add this, import Firebase from Firebase. So it is giving me error because it is doing something. Okay, so let it be done. I'll be back in 1 minute with a water break, so hold on for that time. So I'm back. Sorry for the water break. And so it is done. Firebase is also installed, I'm seeing. And Firebase, so I'm not getting any error also right now. Okay, so Firebase have installed, imported a Firebase, and then I'm initializing the Firebase app with the Firebase config which I have, and I'm going to connect the Firebase data Firestore database. So let me save it, and then we have to go back to our Firebase. So let me make this larger now. So this is our app which we have created in the first part, and how to expand it. Okay, I because I like it like this. Then we have to go to the cloud Firestore. So I'm going to this cloud Firestore. Then we have to click here. Okay, go to the cloud Firestore, not the real-time database. Go to the cloud Firestore. We will be using that. Both of them are same. This also give real-time facilities. Okay, because I have created another apps with this also. It also give the. Okay, someone is asking me something. Let me reply back. Okay, so here it will ask, and you have to start in the test mode always. Okay, so start in the test mode, then I will click on the next button, and then I will get this. So it is okay, enable it. So it is starting my Firebase. So let it get started. Setting up security rules. Yeah, it is. Now it is done, and now I have to click on the start collection. So everything is a collection in Firebase. So start collection. So I have to give the collection ID. So what I will give the collection ID? I'll give the collection ID as videos, because we will get the data in that format, because everything is videos here, videos. Then I click on next, and then I have to give this auto ID here. Okay, it is very important. Okay, I will not give the auto ID right now. I will show why it is important. So now we will create those two fields which we already have, and every props which we are passing from app.js, we have to create that. So for that, let me do one thing. Let me make it a bit smaller. Okay, because I'm going to need this also. So the first thing, as you can see, which I am passing to the videos, is the URL. So let me copy this, paste this. Then let me take this and paste it as well, and this will be a string. Add field, then the second field will be channel, then Nabindu 82, then add field. So we have to take everything from here only. Description, so everything is a string, but soon we'll have another data field. Okay, then the next one will be song. I am a Windows PC. Then see, likes, shares, and messages, they are numbers, so we have to take them as numbers. Likes 145, shares, Let's take some other number. Messages 66. Okay, so this is done. But one thing is, see, the save is disabled. It is not allowing me to save it. Why? Because it needs an auto ID. So I have to click on it. It will generate a random auto ID, and then I am allowed to save. Let me see if I have made everything right. Everything right. Anyways, I can change it later on. So I will do a save. Okay, and when I do a save, it has been saved as a in videos collection in videos, and it is saved. So now I have to add a more video. So let me add that more video. So where I will add? I will add it here. Add documents, not here because I already started it. So add document, and then I have to give the fields. So let me give the auto ID here, and then the second one URL C Control V, add channel, the web tab. So live streaming, you cannot edit this thing. These things are generally edited when you are doing it not live. But in live stream, you cannot do this, edit this thing. So this video will be pushed to my YouTube, so you can skip this part. Likes. Messages 34. So everything is right. Yeah, everything is right. Save and see, the second one is also done, and both of them are done. So we are done with both of them. Now it's time to use them. Okay, so let me go back to my React app. Let me make it small again. Okay, so how we will use them? So we will use them in the app.js. Okay, so first thing first, I need to have a state for those videos. For those videos I need to have a state. So const videos comma set videos equal to use state and this an empty array, because we are getting it as we'll get it as an array. So now I have to import the user state. I don't have it, so I'll press the control and space bar. See, yeah, okay, yeah, use state, import use state from React. In one thing I have noticed in the app.js, React team have done something. You don't even need to import the React, so we are keeping it that we don't even need to import the React in, but this is applicable only in this app.js, which is created by the React team. Okay, so like that I'm done. So now I don't need this hard-coded data anymore. So let me do one thing. Let me remove one of it. Okay, because what we are going to do right now, we are going to map through it. Okay, so we are going to map through it. So let us complete the map code first. Actually, we have not yet done the Firebase code. So, but let us do the map code first, then we'll do the Firebase code. Okay, so like this, videos dot map, and we are going to destructure it in this. Okay, so how to destructure it? Again, let me do this now or I will forget. So there are a lot of things. Okay, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to move it up with alt and up arrow. Okay, so it has been moved in the right place, and my brackets are right. Yeah, okay, so Now let pass it. So how do we pass it? So I think I have already it somewhere. So this, why to write it again if I already have? So this will be like URL, channel, description, song, likes, shares and messages which are there, and now everything will be from here only. So URL will not be like this. URL will be URL, channel will be channel, description will be description, song will be song, likes will be likes, shares will be shares, and messages will be messages. So like this it will come. And we'll have one more thing. It is very important. Whenever we map in React, we should have a unique key. So what is the unique key? Generally the URL is the unique key, so we'll give that URL. There might be duplicate also, but right now we are not going deep into this. So this key, or we get a warning. So now, but where is the videos? Where is the videos coming? We have just map it through it. So videos is coming from the Firebase database, and it is very important, very easy to set up this Firebase database. Generally in Mongo, if you do a MERN project, you have to set up a backend completely with the Node.js, and you have to hit an endpoint and then get the data schema and all those things. All those things are not there. That's why I'm liking Firebase a lot nowadays. Although it has not been used that much in bigger companies, but as I recruit also for my company, I take interviews also. So I am seeing that in a small and medium range companies, a lot of candidates comes who have worked completely in Firebase. Okay. So, and one more thing, next week we are going to do this same project in MERN stack, because MERN stack is very important. If you are a medium range to big companies, not bigger companies, the projects are generally made in Java. The backend is made in Java. React is the king everywhere. Okay, so React will be used everywhere. So that cannot go, but the backend keep on changing. One company size, what I have seen. DB from Firebase. Okay, so DB from Firebase, we are taking it from the local Firebase. app.js, so it is in the same directory as Firebase, so we're taking it from here. And how to use it? So to use it is very important, very easy. As I was telling, we are going to do a call to a database. So we have to use the use effect for this. Use effect. Okay, and I want that also. Okay, use effect, so I want both of them. So it gave me, my VS Code gives me this nice little things, but I don't want this thing. I want it. So I want it to be changed if someone, suppose someone changes the videos at the backend and it adds a videos. Right now we don't have any functionality to add it from the front end, but if someone adds in the backend, so I want to do these videos. If you want to learn more about use effect, you can check my completely React hooks tutorial, in which I go into detail of use effect, and such a versatile thing it has been used. It can be used in many things. Means the use effect replaces almost every lifecycle method of the class based component. It can be used in different way. I can pass blank here, so it will do a component did mount. So lot of the ways are there. If I don't pass it, it will keep on firing. So lot of those things are there. Okay, so how I will do this? DB dot collection and videos, because we made a collection with the videos. If you remember, these videos we made, these videos once we're starting. So this will come with that videos dot on snapshot. So this is a Firebase thing. On snapshot, Firebase is a real-time database. So there is a issue with when we use MongoDB, we cannot use it in a real time. It's a very difficult. We have to again use a third-party thing in MongoDB, like pusher or something. Okay, so in this, it is a real-time database. So it is very easy to create a chat app also, which we are soon going to create a WhatsApp app, WhatsApp clone, which we are going to create. So, but not that soon, but yeah, we are going to create snapshot. On snapshot, anything you can take the name as anything, it doesn't matter. This, then snapshot, which we have just created, dot docs dot map. So dot docs dot map. So videos, we are using this map we are using, which we are JavaScript map we are using doc. So why are you using this? Because see, this videos is there, so it contains it will give us an array back, and when we go inside it, we have to use a map to loop through it. So there can be hundreds of videos also, hundreds of fields also. So we have to loop through this also. So doc and doc dot data. So doc dot data gives us the data, so the complete data. So this is done, but how we will get the data here? So we have created the videos array. So this is different from this. So videos state. So this is we want to set the state to this. So if you want to learn more about this, use this state also, you can check my videos on that. So set videos is there. So set videos I have to use, and I have to wrap everything here, because I'm going to get an array of different videos from here. Array of different videos I will get, so it will update it. Okay, that's why the videos is an array. Okay, so this is done. Let me now save it. Let me go back. Now, moment of truth, I will refresh it. Sometimes the auto refresh doesn't work in React, means I don't know, nowadays this is not a hot reloading in React. So see, 146, 45. Oh, what happened? Okay, now it got refreshed, 45 and all. Now it got refreshed, and it is coming from the database. Okay, so like this, it is perfect. For the recordings and all. Oh, I got a small error, if you might have noticed it. So how to fix it? 145 145 1. So did you got this error? So I got it. What might be the issue? Even if we have given it number, it is coming as a string somewhere somehow. So let us fix it. So it is not that much difficult to fix. So what we need to do, see this likes which is coming. See this likes. It is coming as a means as a, might be as a string. So parse. I think it should work. Parse int likes. Okay, parse int likes. Yeah, it is working fine. So I'm making it int. It might be that string when 145 in the string it was there plus 1, it was making it 145 plus 1. Okay, so I have fixed it. Okay, so now our project is complete. Actually, this was the project which we had going to do, and now our backend is complete. The data is coming from the backend. Okay, so now we just need to do one more thing, and that is to deploy this project. So as I've told earlier, the deployment is also going to be happening from Firebase, and it is very easy to deploy. It is means I find it even easier to deploy it by Netlify. I used to means I use Netlify a lot, so it is even easier than that. So what I need to do, so let me terminate it because we don't want it anymore. Clear it, and let me do one thing. Let me increase it. So we have to do something known as Firebase login. So if you have not logged in first, it will ask you. And let me do one thing more. I want some names here. TikTok clone Firebase. Okay, it is okay. You're already logged in. It will tell me, and then I'll do Firebase init Firebase init. I will do, and then it will ask me. I will pass y, and then this is the main thing, means I have to come down to hosting. See, I am using my arrow keys, come down to hosting, then everything is written here. Then I have to press the space. I will press, so it will give that star here or asterisk here. Then I have to press the enter, hosting configure and deploy Firebase hosting site. I have to enter, and then it will ask me from where to enter. So I will use existing project, but I have a lot of projects. So what is my project name? My project name is TikTok clone Firebase. Okay, TikTok clone Firebase, because I have TikTok Firebase clone also, which is my earlier thing. So this is TikTok clone Firebase. No, not Tinder clone. It is where it is. Where it is. Okay, yeah, here it is. TikTok clone Firebase. I can notice 60A84. So this is also there. So yeah, it is the right thing. TikTok clone Firebase. So I have to press enter, and it will ask me which is the public directory. So React projects always have a public directory of build. So whenever we want to deploy in that build folder. Build I will do, then configure the single page app. React are always a single page app. So yes, automatic deploy. Right now I don't want any automatic deploy, so no, and it is done. Now it is not completely done. We have to now what to do, we have to do run npm run build. Why we have to run the npm run build? So that all the things which we have done right till right now, so it will build a production build. Npm run build, so it builds the production build in which the minification and all those things are done. It is very important to run this command after this npm run build, or the deployment won't be exact. Okay, so it generally takes I think 1 minute it will take. So we are just one step away. So see, it is also saying creating an optimized production build. It is also saying that. Just taking time. So just a thing which I want to tell you. So you can extend this project. See, right now what is happening in this project, if I come back here, let a lot of functionalities are not there. So you can have a chat functionality here, you can have a share functionality here. So those things you can have, and on top of it you can have a means front end, means in which you can upload the thing. Means right now I have actually not used TikTok much, and it is banned in India also, so I don't know how to use it. But you can add that feature to add it in the database also. So it is very easy to add it in a database also. Till now means I think we have not seen it, but we're soon going to see it. Okay, so now this is done. This is run, npm run build is run, and we just have to run the command firebase deploy deploy, and it will deploy our app. It is deploying. Deployment doesn't take much time, and it is deployed. As I've told you, it is deployed. And to this, I can come back here and get the link from there, also copy from here, but it's okay. I will get it from here. So now if I come back to hosting, I will get this. And moment of truth, I have to click on it. Yeah, and our app is being deployed completely to the internet. But I'm soon going to delete this. Means as I've told, I have a lot of other Firebase. If you can see, I have so many. So it is like this. My Windows PC, this working fine, this working fine. And let's see if the videos is playing. And the videos is playing. The nice video is playing. Let it play. Pausing also, but let it play. It's a nice video. Nice. So friends, hope you like this streaming where we build the complete TikTok app. So please do subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like my content. So we will next week, what we are going to do next week, we are going to do the same thing in Munstack. Why Munstack? Munstack because that is the thing which is in high demand. Means everybody, means what I'm telling, only a small Firebase is very good. I know Firebase is very good, but Munstack, everybody uses Munstack because the bigger project people tends to go to Munstack. The freelancing world, if you are there, Firebase is there. But if you want to go to the, let me reduce the sound. So if you want to go to any job thing or which in India most people like to go, so you have to go the Munstack because that is what the most of the companies do. But if you go to the freelancing route, Firebase is the way to go. See, I do one-to-one coachings also. Means I love to teach people, and I am teaching a freelancer. So I'm teaching him Firebase. Why I'm teaching Firebase? Because it is, for him, Firebase is very easy to deploy. He's actually a top freelancer on Upwork, so he wanted to learn React. So for him it is very easy to learn Firebase. So Firebase is easier to learn than Mun, and to show it to the client. Means client doesn't matter, and Firebase is very fast because of Google. It's very fast. So for him, but in bigger companies where we have enterprise projects, we don't use that much Firebase. We use Munstack, and in even bigger companies we use Java. But even Munstack is in use sometimes as a middleware. So it is like that. So align this. Thanks you all. Bye for now. Okay, so I am ending this broadcast now. Thank you all.